Hey guys, my name is Rudy, and welcome to my channel of doing stuff and things. Today's stuff and things is going to be washing the car. Now, I know budgets and everything going up, so I decided to try to do the home thing. Please check with your local HOA if you can actually wash your car on your property, and then I like to do it over grass, at least mostly grass here. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to talk about some of the products I found over here. First one is the Chemical Guys. This is a sprayer and a foamer. Also, Chemical Guys glove here. I thought I'd figure this stuff out and kind of get back to you on what I thought of it. And Mr. Pink. Sorry, no ladies in bikinis or guys in short shorts. It's just me and whatever this is. Anyway, the system comes with sprayer like this and various attachments. This is the high pressure thing. You mix the soap in here on the bottom and you connect this to this, and this is exactly what we'll be doing. So I'm just going to rinse off my car like I normally would, and for time's sake I'm going to do the side that you guys can see. I'll go back and do the rest of the car here a little bit later. So, the way this works, you can screw the bottle. Grab Mr. Pink here. And you fill it to the soap water line. This is the second car wash I've done with this. My first one was my other car, and I still have a need for one or maybe two more washes. Take the top, screw it on, and the way it's recommended is use their spout. The spout's actually pretty cool. They got a little filter on the side here, keep some impurities out, make this spigot last a little bit longer. So the first part is kind of unnecessary. This is just what I have. Now we're going to screw this thing on here and spray down the car again. Another reason I got that is my other car is a Fiat and it's short. So the back of it hardly ever gets touched by the washing system, and there aren't many self-care washes like there are in other parts of the country. So we're going to connect this, quick connect. Soap's in here. The good thing about this thing is actually it doesn't pour water into the container. It just sucks up whatever's in here. So without further ado, we're going to put this in. I choose the soaking. I use the larger nozzle here. Actually, I'm going to switch. I'm going to use the smaller nozzle here. Add a little pressure. All you do is click it in, and away you go. One thing you notice is there's no high pressure, unlike the high pressure that you would get at a regular washer system. What I'm doing is I selected it to number 4 here. I think that's the concentration. Number 5. Okay, number 5. I want to get the most out of this thing, so I'm just gonna coat the car in this stuff here. Anyway, for time's sake, the fact that I don't have a camera person, we're just going to do the parts we can see. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to swap out this tip. Just pull out, push in, turn. And then let. Makes it a little harder to pull. Here it is. And I'm going to place this piece in here. Locks in place, so it clicks. And I'm going to use, so I don't lose my parts here, especially the smaller ones. Lean mitt wash here. That's this product. What it is a little glove. Rinses and washes. It feels like a little mop. And you just kind of put your hand in there. There's no fingers, just a regular deal, and now you got a full-blown mop glove. Okay. Especially when this thing is dry. It's kind of hard to actually get this thing to work. Maybe next time I can hire somebody else for a little bit of scenery. So at this point, this is what I have. Even though I am working out on my treadmill, which is currently the most popular video I have on my webpage. It's 90 degrees out here, but here we are. I keep this thing from getting contaminated. I throw it back on the little plastic it came in with, not on the ground, and pretend that I finished off the old car. Quick disconnect here. Nice car. Cameraman not working well today. That's okay. Mr. King says it's got a scent. I'm not really smelling a stone cooking scent. The car does feel fresh. Like pressure washed, and if you did it yourself, you know it's done right. Like I said, the washing machine, the washer, car wash takes a lot of stuff. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to kind of wash this thing down for you real quick. And those of you who are still with me, I will have a look around the car. So he looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side now. And I was kind of curious to see how you guys wash your vehicles. Do you guys use auto wash, hand wash it yourself, hire some cutie to wash it for you, or a guy? Gotta make it fair. Anyway, till next time, guys. Take care.